Bookies, do y'all ever tell yourself I'm finna do something simple today, then 5 minutes later you done pick the most extra design in your camera roll? Yeah, that's exactly what happened. I really be my own worst client too. If somebody else asked me to do all this, I'd be like, girl, you sure? But when it's me, suddenly I'm Picasso in this motherfucker. And don't let me watch one TikTok before I start. Now I think I'm capable of customizing every set I done seen this week. Confidence be on 1,000. Skill be praying to keep up. This is usually the point where my back starts hurting, I gotta pee, I'm thirsty, and somehow all of that disappears because I refuse to get up in the middle of a nail. Then I start bargaining with myself, just this finger, then it's okay, just one more. Next thing I know, I'm 6 fingers deep and legally trapped. What? I swear, doing your own nails is toxic. Ain't nobody forcing me to do this, but here I am voluntarily suffering for the aesthetic. Now this is the part where everything finally starts looking cute. Before this, it be looking like a whole science experiment, and you just gotta trust your future self at this point. The amount of times I whispered, please don't mess this one up, should honestly be studied. One shaky hand and I'm ready to fight everybody in the room, even though I'm by myself. But this is exactly why I don't quit halfway through. The reveal always makes me forget how much I was complaining 30 minutes ago. Yeah, these 8. Matter of fact, if y'all see me out, act like y'all ain't noticed me. Notice the nails first.